Hi folks, today I'd like to get started on the menus on the left side of the dashboard. I think to start with, I'm going to combine posts and pages a little bit. These are the two places where you'll actually add content to your site. The editors are very similar to one another, so it makes sense to do them together. Pages are typically used for any content that isn't going to change. Things like your About Me, your home page. Usually if you're doing some sort of affiliate marketing, you'll want to have a privacy policy and an affiliate disclaimer page. The posts will be more time-sensitive content. That's not to say if your topic is something that never goes out of style that your posts will need to be pages. But what happens with posts is that they are displayed in reverse chronological order. They are time-stamped and they're usually categorized. We'll go over each of those little parts as we get to them. Before I spend a lot of time on the posts and the pages and how to edit, I wanted to open up the page editor for you, and I'll do that with the sample post that comes with all new installations. So in order to reach that page, I click All Pages and it shows me a list of the pages that I have installed. If I want to edit that, I just hover over that and I can click on the title, or I can click down here under Edit. If I go into the editor at the top of this post, you will see a number of formatting buttons. These are somewhat limited. They allow you to do bolding, italic, strikethroughs. If you wanted to change the background of the text, or you wanted to increase the font size of the text, or any of the nice things that you would get with a standard word processing program aren't there. So I've installed two plugins. They both do the same thing, and you will want to run only one of them, so you'll have to make a choice. The first one is called WP Edit, and I've already set this up and installed it, so I will show you how to do that later. But if I activate that, now when I go into my page, you'll notice that I have a choice of font families, font sizes. I could change formats. I've added an underline, so it has enhanced functionality. I've added additional shortcodes. There are basic things that you can add to the functionality of your editor that will help with that. Right here is a toolbar toggle. I can actually hide all those, or I can display them. Now if I wanted to use the other plugin, that one was WP Edit, and you'll see up here at the top of the page it mentions WP Edit, and here's how you set up the various features that it has. The other one is called the TinyMCE Advanced. So I do not want to run both of these plugins at the same time, so I will deactivate the WP Edit and then activate the TinyMCE Advanced. And once I do that, when I go into my pages, it will show me additional enhanced items. The layout's a little different. In this particular one, I added emoticons. I rearranged the things a little bit. The toolbar toggle hides everything except the top line, and you can put that back. So essentially, these two plugins will give you additional editing features that you may want to have. I myself like to use the WP Edit, so I will turn off the TinyMCE and I will turn the WP Edit back on. So now I have the enhanced features where I can use an extra font family. I can increase or decrease my font sizes if I like. If I want to add special formatting to my text, I can add it from there, although much of that is also available here. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that particular feature, and when I get into plugins I will walk through how you add a plugin and how you find the various plugins. But I wanted to mention those because we'll be doing some editing here in the near future, and I wanted to work with a full set of features. In the next tutorial we'll be talking about editing pages. Thanks.